What's that? Black Play-Doh?
Yeah. How did you get that out here?
I don't know. What you got there? Is that black Play-Doh?
Yes, you
Show.
food.
Let's see the black Play-Doh. Ooh, it doesn't smell like black Play-Doh.
That's from yesterday when you food. It's in the carpet.
You gonna play and squish it? Gonna put it in those Play-Doh toys? Make little spaghettis out of it.
Oh, Porter, yuck!
Mama was playing with Play-Doh.
Oh, I'm gonna puke.
Mama was playing with black Play-Doh. I think Mama's throwing up. I think Mama's throwing up. Hey, was that poop? Huh?